Hello, my name is Kenise Bridges, and I'm excited to be taking this course. My previous work history was as a case manager, where I worked with adults with persistent mental illness, such as bipolar, schizophrenia, mood disorders, and things of that nature. In addition to that, I also work with children as a youth advocate, in addition to as a behavioral analyst, and currently I'm a mental health worker for a children's mobile crisis intervention program in the city of Philadelphia, where I work with children and families that have been a part of some form of trauma and are currently in crisis. Um, I can say that I initially encountered people being diagnosed with mental illness within my own family. I do have an uncle who was diagnosed with schizophrenia, and in addition to that, my sister has Down syndrome. So that's a different form of disability, but nonetheless, it's also a part of the behavioral health world. I do believe that mental health diagnosis has definitely come a long way, but I do think that there is still a stigma with being treated for mental illness. There's definitely a stigma with therapy and things of that nature. I think the way that children and adults are diagnosed, there's still a lot of difficulty surrounding that. I myself have never been a part of diagnosing because I don't have a master's degree, so I haven't technically been qualified, but I do work directly with therapists as well as psychiatrists and psychologists and child psychiatrists um, who have been able to diagnose. I do complete assessments that do assist them with coming up with some of the diagnosis for the children and the families that we serve. And I guess that's it as far as my introduction. I look forward to meeting all of you and to working with you. Thank you. Bye bye.